All right. Hello, everybody. My name is Drew Hagan, and I will be the host for this Kubernetes 135 release team meeting. Today is Monday, the 15th of December, and we are in the final week of the release cycle. Please be aware this is a Kubernetes community meeting, which falls under the Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which could be summarized as please be excellent to one another. Thank you all. This meeting is being recorded and will be publicly posted to YouTube, so please be mindful what you say is being recorded. Okay, so we will first start with open discussion items. It doesn't look like there is a topic listed here currently, but is there anything that anyone would like to bring up before we go to sub-team updates? Okay, moving on to the update from enhancements.
Hey everyone, Ryan this side. So we are green, we don't have much to update. It's just that we are doing some cleanups, like removing the lead doctrine label from the caps, which are removed from the milestone, and it will help the next lead next cycle. So yeah.
All right, great. Any questions for enhancements? Yeah, thanks so much for cleaning that up. That really helps us at the start of the next cycle. Moving on to release signal.
Morning, y'all. I'll give the quick update here. We are green, which is fantastic. We got the one test in here that's flaking a little bit, the pod's extended pod container status, yada yada. Drew, I think you pinged SIG already. It looks like we got a good amount of engagement on that. There was previously a fail from SIG that's been merged already, and I think a couple little follows to keep tweaking some things there, but that's no longer on here. But I recall it was last week, last time I was in this meeting, so I think we're in good shape right now.
All right. Any questions for release signal? Are we good for the PRs that are open? Is there anything we have to change the milestone to 136 at this point?
What is that PR?
Yeah. Okay. I'll follow up, I think. We're kind of at the last minute now, so we'll probably put any remaining PRs to the next release cycle.
Hmm. Interesting. Okay.
All right. Thanks for release signal. Moving on to docs.
Yeah, hi everyone. So our current status is yellow, and uh, like we have our weekly branching PR created and merged. For the RC one, we had some comments, and I think the Anshuman from the doc team addressed those, and we are again waiting for review or approval there. And also, yeah, for the and also I have opened some PR for the schedule, and that is pending for review and updates in the yugo.toml. So for the 1.34 version, I cannot create the PR because I need to create the branch first, for which I need the right permissions. So yeah, for that as well, I have created the PR. So kind of waiting for some approvals on our PRs to move ahead. Yeah.
All right, yeah, I will take a look at this right after this meeting. I know, so we had to manually add some of the PRs that were missed to RC1. So I'll also take a deeper review and just kind of spot check that we have everything there. Any questions for the docs team? All right, yeah, thanks so much. I know docs gets really busy this week, so really appreciate all your work. Moving on to comms.
Hello, Chad here from comms. I'm a comms shadow, and the current status is green. The feature blogs We have 15 after code freeze, 15 enhancements with 13 PRs tracked. So we have 10 feature blogs merged as a draft and ready to publish. We have 3 feature blogs that are currently under review. The feature blog schedule is out on our tracking board, so review that. The release announcements, the PR had many reviews and almost all the suggestions were implemented. We need to finalize the last details and open up the schedule PR as soon as possible. For the PR and webinar with CNCF, PR communication with CNCF is open. Everything should be on track. We have to finalize the last details to have the webinar link available on time to be published in the announcements blog.
All right, yeah, I will I'll take some action items to look deeper into these items as well, probably the future blogs under review, and then making sure we have all the details available for the webinar link is also on my radar. So any questions for the comms team? All right, moving on to release branch management. Do we have anybody from release branch management on the call? Okay, I can give the update for release branch management. They seem to be, I see in the group chat, they seem to be preparing for the release cut, which is good. And they also put together a PR that will unfreeze the Kubernetes repo. So we have a hold on that. Yeah, so after the release, we will unhold it, and it will we'll be applying the 136 milestone, and yeah, then folks can merge back in. So yeah, things seem to be going along there. Any questions for release branch management? I could try my best to answer them if anybody has them. Okay. So it doesn't look like we have any updates from Cat. So from the release lead, we have our release party will be taking place after the EMEA release meeting this week that's at 1700 UTC. We will get together and play some relaxing music and collaborate around any remaining tasks on the release day. So it will be a real party. Really excited to see you all and have that final meeting of the release cycle. For those of you who might be tuning in today for the last time, I just wanted to thank you all. I really appreciate all of your work throughout the cycle. You've done a great job. We're almost there, 3 months in the making to release this next version. So I think that's really exciting, and I couldn't have done this without y'all. So just really appreciate all the help. And yeah, the retro part 2 will be after the release. Kat had mentioned Monday, December 29th. So watch out for an invite there. I know it's sort of around the holiday season, but anybody that can make it will appreciate your input. And yeah, that will help us improve the release team's processes for future cycles. Whether you can make it or not, please add any items that you have to discuss to our retro doc, and that way we can all discuss it. Pretty much just anything that any concerns that have come up throughout your experience on the release team, we'd like to hear about it, and any ideas on how things can be improved and done better. Yeah, I really appreciate anybody's input there. So any questions for me, the release lead? Okay. And then SIG scalability, I'm going to assume is green. Are there any final discussion items that we want to have before ending the recording? Okay, well, thanks again. It's been, yeah, I feel like it's been a really smooth cycle, which is, a testament to all of you. Um, you've done really great work and things have gone pretty well. So, yeah, thanks so much. And for those of you who are tuning into YouTube, yeah, thanks for checking out the meeting today. Yeah, we'll see you all later.